punch her right in the throat.
It's my damn baby, though. It's my daughter, man. I'm so protective of my kids, though. I really am. I don't even like taking my kids out that much no more. I get in arguments with the other kids. I think kids play too rough. I do. Me and this boy got into it at Chuck E. Cheese. It wasn't a fight, it was an altercation. We got to a little altercation because my baby was in the balls. He was throwing the balls at my daughter's head. Throwing the balls, hit my daughter right in the head. Bang. My daughter's so damn stupid, she thought it was a game. She playing. She's like, Daddy, look. So I get mad, I'm like, throw a ball back. I'm pissed off. I look at my son, he's just looking at the shit. I was mad at the way my family looked as a unit. Like, we didn't look good as a unit, man. Like, my daughter, she taking balls to the face. My son shaking his head and slobbering. I'm small. We look like a fucking circus act. I was so pissed off. I've never been so mad at my wife in my life. I'm like, why would you dress us in different colors? We look like clowns. From now on, solid colors when we go out. We look like a team. Solid colors. My damn kids, though, man.